Quarter zips are all the rage at the moment, and at Banana Moon Clothing we've got a wide variety for all your customization needs. I'm going to break down some of our top favourites for this season. I'm going to start with a classic, and it's the Trucker 2.0 from Stanley Stella. Made from recycled polyester and organic cotton, available in 8 colours, it truly is a classic for the uniform. You can get your logo embroidered or printed on the front centre small, or on the left chest, or even go for something subtle on the cuff. Next up is a high quality premium garment from Nimbus. This is unisex, so perfect for all of the team. You've got a really high quality collar, you've got your ribbed cuffs and your ribbed bottom. It's also got a brushed fleece lining, keeping your team cozy this winter. It looks great with an embroidery on the front centre small, or again, something subtle on the cuff. Custom Kit have offered something a little bit different with a blend between a quarter zip and a hoodie. This allows an easy access collar, easy for taking on and off, and it's great for the whole team. This also features the hoodie pocket, which is great for personalisation. You can get something printed or embroidered in the corner. Next up is the Wiccan knitted quarter fleece sweater from Ecology. This offers something a little bit different because it's got the ribbed collar, you've got the ribbed cuffs and the ribbed hem. So it's a bit more of a jersey knit, and it's also eco-friendly. Ideal for embroidery, and it gives the team a professional look this winter. Next up is something for the sports industry. The cool half zip by Audis with contrasting zips and bottom hems allows something different for the team, available in 5 different colorways. This item is great for print, and if you're looking to stand out while running, you can even try our reflective vinyl on this one. Next up is our most popular fleece with universities and societies. It is the Active Fleece by Result. This is super cozy, it's 300 GSM, available in 6 colours, and it's great for embroidery. I particularly love whenever they go large embroidery across the front to make a statement. It looks great. Last but not least is the front row panelled quarter zip. This is available in navy and white, and it's super trendy at the moment. We've got this super striking white panel all across the garment, which makes it great for front centres that really stand out. It's even tag free, so if you wanted, you could even personalise this with an inside neck print. These are just a small variety of all the quarter zips that we offer at Banana Moon Clothing. If you're interested in kitting your team out this season, drop us an email or give us a call.